Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money on Square in 2025. If you're a business owner or freelancer using Square for payments, knowing how to move your funds quickly can save you time and hassle. Square has made this process even smoother with their latest updates, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Square dashboard. You can access this from the Square website or their mobile app. It's user-friendly on both. Once you're in, head over to the Balance or Banking section. This is where all your transaction details and available funds are displayed. Look for the Transfers option. It's usually right there on the main page. Now, step 2. Select the account you want to transfer money to. Square lets you link your bank account or debit card, so choose the one that's set up for withdrawals. If you haven't linked an account yet, you'll need to do that first by going to Account Settings and adding your bank details. It's quick and secure. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Square might have daily or weekly limits, so keep an eye on those. Once you've input the amount, you'll see a confirmation screen with details like fees and estimated arrival time. In 2025, transfers are often instant or within one business day, depending on your bank. Hit that Confirm button, and you're good to go. You'll get an email or notification confirming the transfer. Remember, Square charges a small fee for these services, so factor that into your plans. And that's it, easy as pie. Transferring money on Square is a breeze once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, Square's support team is top-notch. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.